Hello journalers, welcome back. I hope you're all doing amazing. For today's video, we're trying the Daiso and Seria Ink Mixing Set to create our own ink and pen from scratch. This activity is super fun for both adults and kids. It's very affordable and also a great little educational experience. So without further ado, let's go. So here's what we have. First, the Daiso Ink Mixing Set. I got this for 550 yen and it comes with 5 colors. You can also buy the colors individually if you have something specific in mind. This is Seria's version. Love that the box shows the ink ingredients so you can plan your color before mixing. We also have this handmade pen kit. We're going to fill this with the ink we make and turn it into our very own pen. And I grabbed a disposable fountain pen and a brush on the side just so we can test our ink in different ways. And lastly, this ink bottle for mixing. This is optional though. You don't need to buy one. A simple disposable plastic cup works just as well. The Daiso set also comes with an ingredient guide to help us mix our colors. And here's the Seria one. I'm actually really impressed. The ink bottle is made of glass and it comes with this little dropper. Seria never disappoints. The first color we're going for is this dusty rose, and according to the guide, the ratio is 1 yellow, 3 pink, and 1 gray. Let's work with 40 drops per ratio and start with the yellow. I'm doing this pretty roughly by the way, so I'm not sure if we'll get exactly that dusty rose color, but let's see what happens. We're going to use the thick one for this. The instructions are pretty simple. You just dip the ink reservoir into your ink, let it absorb, and then insert it into the pen body. I think we actually achieved it. I'm so happy with the color, and this pen for just 100 yen, it glides so smoothly, honestly not bad at all. On to the next color. We're going for a dusty blue, 1 blue and 2 gray. I love this kind of color, very moody and classic. Alright, I think we achieved the color again. I'm so happy with how this one turned out. This activity is really fun, not just for adults. Kids would absolutely love this too. It's such a hands-on way for them to understand how colors work and how mixing different amounts can completely change the result. It's play and learning at the same time. Next, we're going for deep magenta, 9 pink and 1 gray. Since we need a lot of pink for this one, I'm going to adjust the ratio and make 1 ratio equal to 10 drops so we don't run out. I feel like we didn't quite achieve it. It came out a lot brighter than the deep magenta we were going for. I think adding a little more gray would help deepen the color. Let's make brown this time, and to do that, we need to make orange first, then add gray to get that brown tone. For this one, I'm using a full dropper as my 1 ratio. We're just going to borrow the gray from Daiso. It should work just fine. I think I needed a little more gray to really hit that brown, but I still think it turned out really well. And I actually like this Seria pen kit better than the Daiso one. It just feels nicer to write with. Last color, plum purple. We didn't quite achieve this one either. I think I really need more gray in my life. Note to self, always have extra gray on hand. But anyway, for a little bonus, let's also try out the disposable fountain pen and brush with our inks. For just 100 yen, I'm honestly not expecting too much. And this is the brush. I'm sorry for the terrible lettering, guys. The brush is really soft, so it's a bit hard to control. But this is just a swatch, so we're keeping it casual. Alright journalers, this was a short and fun one. I hope you enjoyed our little experiment making our own ink and pen. We didn't achieve all the colors perfectly, but that's part of the fun and just means there's more experimenting to do next time. If you love Japan store tours, seasonal stationery hauls, journaling content, Japanese stationery events, crafting, and travel vlogs, you're in the right place. If that sounds like your kind of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!